Hi, I'm Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific. In this training video, we're going to talk about the Open Draft Report. So let's get started. The Open Draft Report will allow users to see all the drafts that are still open. Please note it is not necessary to select a customer location before running this report. Locate the Open Draft Report button under the Graphs and Trends section. The Open Draft Report will list out each draft, displaying the customer, facility, building, and system name. It will also show the report type, report date, and report author. The results displayed is dependent on the user's access. The results shown can be filtered by using the search box, changing the date range, and/or selecting different report types. In the search box, you can filter the results by typing in the customer, facility, building, or system name. Watch the results change as I type in the various keywords into the search box. Notice that you do not have to enter the entire name of the customer, facility, building, or system in order to search for results. Anything that matches the keyword search will appear in the filtered list. You can also search by author. Change the date range by clicking on the calendar to select a new date range or enter a custom date range. Click on the color tiles to filter by report type. Click on the report to open and edit the draft. Click Save Draft or Save Final to save the report. Click back to return to the Open Draft Report. The drafts can be deleted by clicking on the trash icon. Results can be exported into Excel or CSV by clicking on the Export button. The export will download onto the user's laptop.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching!